Today I'm going to teach you how to collapse all layers in Figma. This is incredibly useful when working with complex designs that have multiple nested frames and groups, as it helps you quickly clean up your layers panel and find what you need without endless scrolling. First, go ahead and open your Figma file. Once you're in, direct your attention to the Layers panel on the left side of the interface. This is where all your frames, groups, and individual layers are displayed in a hierarchical structure. If you've been working on a detailed project, you've probably noticed how cluttered this panel can get with everything expanded. Now, look toward the top right corner of the Layers section. You'll see a small icon there. Click on this icon and you'll immediately notice a change. This action collapses all the expanded folders, frames, and groups within your Layers panel. Alternatively, if you prefer using keyboard shortcuts to speed up your workflow, you can press Alt+L on Windows or Option+L on Mac. This shortcut does exactly the same thing as clicking the icon, but it's much faster if you're already working with your hands on the keyboard. This can be especially handy when you're in the zone and don't want to move your mouse around too much. After you've clicked the icon or used the keyboard shortcut, take a moment to observe the Layers panel. You'll see that all the previously expanded folders, frames, and groups have now closed. Only the top-level layers remain visible, giving you a much cleaner and more organized view of your design structure. This makes it significantly easier to navigate through your project, especially when you're dealing with complex designs that have dozens or even hundreds of nested elements. This simple action can save you a lot of time and frustration, particularly when you need to locate a specific layer or when you're presenting your work and want to show a neat, organized Layers panel. It's one of those small features in Figma that can make a big difference in your daily workflow efficiency. And that's all there is to it. You've successfully collapsed all layers in Figma, creating a cleaner workspace that's easier to navigate. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.